In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear out old unpaid bills in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're sprucing up your financial records or simply trying to keep everything organized and clutter-free, managing these old entries is an essential task that can help streamline your bookkeeping. This process is quite straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step, ensuring you're clear on how to tidy up your records effectively. To begin, let's navigate to the main menu. On the left side of your QuickBooks Online dashboard, you'll find the panel that holds all your primary navigation options. You want to locate and click on the option labeled Expenses. This is where all your financial outflows are recorded, making it a crucial hub for managing your bill payments and vendor transactions. Once you're in the Expenses section, the next thing you want to do is head over to the Bills tab. This is where QuickBooks lists out all your bills, complete with details such as the amounts owed, any open balances, and the current status of each bill. This tab acts like a bird's-eye view of your financial obligations, so you can easily spot which bills need attention and which ones have been resolved. Now, we're going to focus on clearing out and removing those old unpaid bills. This is a great step if you have bills lingering that you no longer need to keep in your active records, perhaps because they've been resolved outside of QuickBooks, or are simply no longer relevant. What you need to do is look for the bill you want to remove and then identify the Schedule Payment button associated with it. Next to this button is a small caret icon. By clicking on this icon, you're presented with a drop-down menu. From this menu, you have the option to select Delete. This simple action will permanently remove the bill from your system, allowing your records to reflect only your current financial commitments. Remember, though, that this step will delete the bill entirely from your records, so you might want to ensure that you have a backup or some form of record elsewhere if the information might be needed later. Keeping your records clean and accurate helps maintain an efficient bookkeeping process and prepares you for any financial assessment or auditing. And there you have it. It's as simple as that. Now, your QuickBooks Online account should be updated to more accurately reflect your current financial standing, and you'll have one less thing cluttering up your system. By regularly clearing out old items, you can ensure your financial records stay manageable and clear, helping you make better business decisions. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Happy bookkeeping!